In this video, I'll show you how to hide formula in Excel and how to lock formula in Excel. So please watch this video till end, and if you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe our channel. If you like the video, please like and share. So let's start. So how to hide formula in Excel? For example, in column A and B, I have my data, and in column C, I have formula. So how I can hide the formula so that in the formula bar it will not be visible, and if I press the F2 also, my formula will not be visible. So how I can do that? First, you need to select your data. If your data is only limited to this much, then you can select this data, or you can control A 2 times to select the entire data. Or you can go to the middle of column and row and you can click here to select the entire data. Then right click and click on format cells, or you can use your keyboard shortcut as Ctrl+1 and then go to your protection tab and remove this lock and click OK. So now lock is removed. Now select all the formulas. If you have additional formulas, you can press Ctrl and select that formula, or if you are somewhere in the middle and there are a lot of formulas in between and you want to select all the formulas, then go to Home tab, click on Find and Select, click on Go To, or you can select your keyboard shortcut key as Ctrl+G, then click on Special, click on Formulas, click on OK. So automatically all the formulas will be selected, and you can simply right click and go to Format Cells. Under the Protection tab, click on Hidden and click OK. To hide the formula, you have to protect the sheet. Go to your Review tab, click on Protect Sheet, and if you want to give password, you can give password like 1 2 3 4 5, click on OK. Again 1 2 3 4 5, you can give any password and click on OK. So now you can see here all your formulas are hidden. Change the rate, suppose 3.5, automatically it will change. But now since we have not locked the formula, we can delete the formula and we can change the formula also. We can type something else. How to lock formula in Excel and also hide the formula in Excel? To do that, select your entire data, then right click, Format Cell, Protection, remove the lock, click OK. Then select your formulas, right click, go to Format Cells, click on both Lock and Hidden, click on OK. So now go to Review tab, click on Protect Sheet. If you want to give password, you can give password. If you don't want to give password, you can leave as it is. But make sure both Select Lock Cell and Select Unlock Cells are ticked and you click OK. So now if you want to change something here, then you will get an error message that cell or chart you are trying to change is on protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. If you want to make the changes, go to Review tab, click on Unprotect Sheet. If you have password, it will ask for password. Then you can modify the formula and you can see the formula. So this is all about how to hide the formula in Excel and how to lock the formula in Excel by protecting your sheet. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, please like and share. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.